9 proven tips to generate high-quality B2B leads online. B2B lead generation captures potential customers through marketing tactics like content and ads. Free resources are offered, but accessing them requires filling out a lead form. Balancing form questions is crucial. Less data requested usually means higher conversion rates. Successful B2B lead generation hinges on providing valuable content in exchange for contact information. Diversify tactics to maximize results, as relying solely on one may fall short. Explore innovative approaches to tap into growth opportunities in the expanding global B2B lead generation market. 1. Know your audience. Understand who your audience is to get good B2B leads. Make detailed buyer personas and use AI to learn more about their preferences. 2. Website optimization. Make your website better for getting leads. Use clear buttons and chatbots to help visitors find what they need. 3. Content marketing. Create helpful content that your audience wants. AI can help you figure out what topics are popular. 4. Social media. Use social media wisely to connect with potential leads. AI can help you decide when and what to post. 5. Email marketing. Use AI to make your emails more personal. It can suggest what products to recommend and when to send emails. 6. Online advertising. Use AI to target the right people with ads. It can also help you place ads where they'll be seen by the right audience. 7. Marketing automation. Let AI handle repetitive tasks in marketing. It can personalize messages and predict when leads might buy. 8. Track important data. Keep an eye on key numbers to see how well your lead generation is going. AI can help analyze data quickly. 9. AI sales agents. Use AI to help with sales tasks. These virtual agents can save time and make lead management smoother. Boost your B2B lead generation with AnyBiz.io. Virtual sales agents personalize engagement, while encrypted email accounts ensure high deliverability. Leveraging AI in inbound marketing, AnyBiz maximizes lead potential across multiple channels. Automated meeting scheduling and smart decision-making streamline processes, making AnyBiz the ultimate tool for business growth in the digital era. If you've enjoyed your stay, be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons before you go. More exciting updates are on the way.